Hi, welcome back for your next lesson. Alright, so far we have covered natural stance, the opening to Tai Chi. We've also covered our forward stances. We've discussed our squeeze movement, our sink back and squeeze movement, and we've discussed our roll back and press movement. Now, in the form, at this point, we're going to get into our stepping movements. So, what we're going to do is we're going to just focus on the footwork first. We're going to begin in a forward stance, and we're going to focus on our feet again. So, we're going to begin with the full turn. Now, a full turn is going to start by shifting the weight to the back foot, and that's actually a rollback movement there. We're going to turn the toe in. We're going to sink the weight into that back leg. We're going to bring the front foot up, and we're going to set it down behind us. And we're going to turn 180 degrees into another natural front stance. So it is shift the weight back, turn in, shift in, pick that front foot up, step back, shift the weight back, turn in. You'll notice you're in this kind of pigeon-toed position here. Drop the weight, pick the foot up, step in. That's going to allow you to get into another forward stance. So that transition point right here, that's a big issue. Just making sure that you're transitioning between the two positions. Weight's on the right foot as you're going to the right, then it drops to the left foot. Step forward with the right foot, and you shift into the right foot into your forward stance, allowing the hips and legs to turn. So that is the full turn. Now a half turn, and you'll see this after the full turn in the form, you're going to start. We'll take it from the end of our first turn. We are now in a full turn mode. What we're going to do is we're going to shift back. We're going to bring that foot in. And now it just follows the same movement that we did to go from the natural stance to a forward stance. We're going to bring the foot in, and we're going to step forward. So it's shift into the foot for a half turn. We're going to bring that foot in. We're going to step out. And as we shift our weight forward into that foot, we allow the back leg to turn and shift in. Now again, each style of Tai Chi has its own particulars about how you want to do this. So what I want you to do is talk to your instructor, make sure you understand what your instructor wants you to do. But for the most part, what you're going to be focusing on is that simple transition of the weight, moving from one side and back. Alright, so go ahead, practice your half turns and full turns, and we'll see you for the next